Okay. Hello everyone. I'm going to make a quick video about ACT bullish order blocks. So this is not supply and demand. This is order blocks, which I will explain right now. So give me a second. Just wait. Okay. Let's start. So we have different types of order blocks. We have high probability order block. We have low probability order block. We have range order block. Okay. So what is the high probability order block? High probability order block is the candle with big body, where is the big volume of buys or sells. Okay. The low probability order block is the low candle body with big wicks, where is low volume in this candle. Okay. And range order block is multiple candles which cause price to expand higher. Okay, like this. So how to use them? I personally use high probability order blocks from the body or the equilibrium level, like main threshold. You can call it main threshold, like this. Okay, so you need to use low probability order block from his wicks, like this. Okay, same on here on the bearish or bullish. This is not supply and demand. I will explain everything why order block is order block. So let's say market structure is going higher, making higher highs and lower highs. Okay, excuse me, higher lows. So give me a second. Let's say we have old high right here. Wait. Let's say we have old high right here. Okay, so price just expands right here, and last down close candle, which caused a liquidity sweep right here, is a bearish order block. So price breaks the structure, price comes back on the bearish order block. You can take your entry or wait for a lower time frame confirmation like this entry and take your profits the nearest low. Okay, go on the live chart data to explain. So this is a range order block right here. I personally use this. So this can be a higher time frame one candle order block, but you can also use this range as the equilibrium line right here. Just use your pib levels like this. Give me a second. So I'll give you some time to copy this. This is not hard to copy this. Excuse me. Lines. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, so you need to put your pib levels like this, and you need to use equilibrium level, because if price expands from here, it may come back on this range and continue moving. So let's go on the live chart data to give you more. So we are not watching this structure story, what is price doing here. We are only watching order blocks right now, education. So we have these two down close candles right here. Let me change the color. Okay. I hope you see it. Okay, wait, just like this. So why is this bullish order block? Two down, last down close candles that caused a big move. And why is this bullish order block? Because it swept out this liquidity right here. Okay, after price swept out this liquidity right here. So what is hiding right here? The money. Okay, what is liquidity? Liquidity is money. Price expands, takes out these highs right here. As you can see, the market structure, right? Low right here, high right here. Price comes back, makes a higher low, and expands. As you can see, right here, the last down close candle right here. Just look how price candles respect this. Price shifts right here, as going lower time frame. Okay, we are on 1 hour chart. The whole price respects it beautifully, as you can see. So you can use also this range order block right here. So you may not get every order filled, like every order block touched, because this is not how market works. This is not holy grail. You need to understand it. So another example right here, price cleared out the stop loss right here. The last down close candle right here, which caused stop loss right here, takes out the liquidity right here. Price shifts here, price comes back. Last down close candle that caused the stop loss. Use the candle body, boom, price touches and rallies. Also, you can notice the fair value gap right here, which I will explain later. Another right here, you can use this candle or this candle. You can see how price candles respect it, rallies. Another, this is a propulsion block. So what is a propulsion block? This is also one order block. So let's say we have this order block right here. You can see price opens, taps into it, rallies, and we have another down close candle right here. So this becomes another order block, but we call it propulsion block. So price taps into it, rallies. Another propulsion block right here, price taps into it, rallies. So and this is not about terminology. You can call it order block or whatever you want, okay? So let's go on a daily chart now. I wanted to show you some example on live chart data. So let's say price, what a perfect example right here. We had the bearish fair value gap right here. As you can see, we had a fake move right here. Price rallies, takes out, sweeps this liquidity. And last up close candle right here, price taps into this fair value gap, which I will, as I said, I will explain later in the video. Price drops. Just look how aggressively price displays from here. Breaks the structure right here, and we have two last down close candles right here. Let's use this right here. You can also use this one candle right here, but I prefer to use both. So let's go on lower time frame right now. Okay, so guys, just look at this, how it repeats, okay? Just focus. We had consolidation right here, accumulation, manipulation, distribution to this higher time frame fair value gap right here. Excuse me, order block. So price makes another, you can see, sweeps this liquidity. We have this, another order block right here, and price taps into it. Let's go lower time frame, see what happens. So another liquidity sweep right here. If you can see normal data, you can go more lower time frame. Let's go 5 minutes, check it how it looks like. Go on 3 minutes. Okay, so it's nice. Price sweep this liquidity right here, market structure shift or change of character, whatever you want to call it, and break of structure. So when you're trading on a lower time frame, for the better confirmation after shift in market structure or change of character, you need to wait. You need to wait for break of structure for better confirmation. Okay. So, and I need to water. Wait. Okay, let's finish this video. So we have this last up close candle right here, and we have two candles. Okay, so you can take entry like this from this range, like this, stop loss under the order block high, and target the nearest liquidity. It is a pre-money. This is ATM, guys. So make sure to backtest this data. As you can see, this is a live market. I'm not showing you our data, but you can go on the charts and backtest everything for better understanding. And this was the order blocks video, and I will record another video about fair value gaps.